Hey guys, today let's learn how to stop Instagram from recommending our accounts. So basically, how do you stop Instagram from recommending our accounts? All we need to do, guys, is to basically head on over to Instagram. And then of course, once you are here on your Instagram pages, what I want you to do basically is to log into your preferred accounts. In this case, I want to use this account right here. The next step is of course to click on your profiles. Okay, once you're there, I want you to click on your three lines option to view your settings. Once you're on your settings, I want you to head on over onto the option to see your settings. But basically, if you want to go ahead and stop Instagram from recommending your account, you can head on over onto your edit profile option. I'm going to click on edit profile. I'm going to head on over to the very bottom, and I want to click on to this option where I could see. So basically, you could now see your personal information settings and everything related to that. Right now, I'm actually using a business account, so you could also use that as well. But since we don't really see the option right here, maybe because Instagram has this new update, because normally you could see the option to uncheck the box next to similar account suggestions and then tap submit. But since we have this new update, what we could actually do in order for us to proceed with stopping Instagram from recommending our account is actually enabling our private account. Of course, all we need to do in order to do that is to click on our settings, click on privacy, and then you could head on over and enable a private account. Click on OK. So you could also set, of course, a personal account first, since you can't really private any business accounts. So you could go ahead and head on over to your personal accounts on Instagram and making that private. I'm going to show you guys what that actually looks like on here. And I'm going to head on over to my personal account, clicking on privacy, and then I could now proceed with switching to a private account so that Instagram itself could not recommend me to other people, giving me a much more private experience without the loss or the security sake of my information. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to see you in the next one.